The world is full of extraordinary creatures, each uniquely adapted to its environment. From the dense rainforests to the vast savannas, and from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life thrives in myriad forms. Each species has evolved unique traits and abilities that allow it to survive and flourish in its specific niche. Some animals possess abilities so remarkable that they seem to defy our understanding of the natural world. These extraordinary adaptations often leave us in awe, showcasing the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. Whether it's the chameleon changing its color to blend into its surroundings, or the peregrine falcon diving at speeds over 200 miles per hour, nature never ceases to amaze. One such creature is the star-nosed mole, a small subterranean mammal that navigates the darkness with an exceptional sensory organ. This mole, often found in the wetlands of North America, spends most of its life underground, burrowing through the soil in search of food. Despite its tiny size, the star-nosed mole is a formidable hunter, thanks to its unique adaptation. This organ, a star-shaped nose, is a marvel of evolution, allowing the mole to detect prey with astonishing precision. The star-nosed mole's nose is not just any ordinary nose, it is a highly specialized tool that sets it apart from other mammals. The star-shaped structure is composed of 22 fleshy appendages that are incredibly sensitive to touch. Few creatures can match the star-nosed mole's ability to sense its surroundings. Its nose is so sensitive that it can detect the faintest vibrations and movements in the soil, allowing it to locate prey with unparalleled accuracy. This remarkable ability gives the star-nosed mole a significant advantage in its subterranean habitat, where visibility is limited and survival depends on keen senses. Its nose, adorned with 22 fleshy appendages, acts as a super-sensitive touch organ. These appendages, known as Eimer's organs, are densely packed with sensory receptors that can detect the slightest touch. The star-nosed mole uses these appendages to explore its environment, feeling its way through the darkness with incredible precision. These appendages, called Eimer's organs, are covered in thousands of tiny sensory receptors known as pushrods. Each pushrod is connected to a nerve ending, allowing the mole to process a vast amount of tactile information in real time. This sensory input is so detailed that the mole can distinguish between different types of prey, such as insects, worms, and small crustaceans. These receptors provide the mole with an extraordinary sense of touch, allowing it to identify and capture prey with remarkable speed and accuracy. In fact, the star-nosed mole is known to be one of the fastest foragers in the animal kingdom, capable of identifying and consuming prey in a fraction of a second. This incredible adaptation ensures that the star-nosed mole remains a successful predator in its dark subterranean world. The star-nosed mole, Condylura cristata, is a small, insectivorous mammal found in the wetlands and marshes of eastern North America. This fascinating creature is often overlooked due to its subterranean lifestyle, but it plays a crucial role in its ecosystem. The star-nosed mole is a member of the mole family, Talpidae, and is known for its distinctive star-shaped nose, which sets it apart from other mole species. This unique nose is not just for show, it is a highly specialized organ. The star-shaped nose is composed of 22 fleshy appendages called Eimer's organs, which are incredibly sensitive to touch. These organs allow the mole to detect even the slightest vibrations and movements of its prey, making it an efficient hunter in the dark, waterlogged environments it inhabits. This unusual appendage is not used for smelling but rather for feeling its way around in the dark, damp tunnels it calls home. The star-nosed mole's tunnels are often found near water sources where it can easily find its favorite prey, such as insects, worms, and small aquatic creatures. The mole's ability to navigate and hunt in complete darkness is a testament to the efficiency of its star-shaped nose. Weighing in at approximately 75 grams, the star-nosed mole is similar in size to a house mouse. Despite its small stature, it is a formidable predator in its own right. Its small size allows it to move quickly and efficiently through its tunnel systems, avoiding larger predators and catching prey with ease. Its dense velvety fur, typically black or dark brown, provides insulation and protection from the cold, wet conditions of its underground habitat. This fur is not only warm but also water repellent, allowing the mole to stay dry and comfortable even in the dampest environments. The star-nosed mole's fur is a marvel of natural engineering, perfectly suited to its subterranean lifestyle. Despite its small size, The star-nosed mole is a powerful digger using its strong forelimbs and large claws to create intricate tunnel systems. These tunnels serve as both hunting grounds and safe havens from predators. The mole's digging prowess is essential for its survival, allowing it to construct complex networks of tunnels that can span large areas. This remarkable creature is a true testament to the wonders of adaptation and evolution. The star-nosed mole's most remarkable feature is, undoubtedly, its extraordinary nose. This unique appendage is unlike anything else found in the animal kingdom. The star-shaped nose is not a single organ, but rather a complex arrangement of 22 fleshy appendages, or rays, that protrude from the mole's snout. These rays are highly mobile, and are constantly in motion as the mole explores its surroundings. Each ray is covered in thousands of tiny sensory receptors called Eimer's organs. These organs are unique to moles and are particularly abundant on the star-nosed mole star. Eimer's organs are extremely sensitive to touch and vibration, allowing the mole to detect even the slightest movement of prey in the soil. The star-nosed mole is a master of subterranean life, spending the majority of its time in extensive burrow systems. These burrows can stretch for over 100 meters, forming a complex network of tunnels and chambers beneath the surface. The mole uses its powerful forelimbs and sharp claws to excavate these tunnels, pushing soil aside and creating ridges and mounds on the surface. The burrow system provides the mole with shelter from predators, a stable environment for raising young, and access to food sources. Within its burrows, the star-nosed mole constructs nesting chambers lined with soft vegetation for rest and rearing offspring. The tunnels also serve as hunting grounds, leading the mole to areas abundant in earthworms, insects, and other invertebrates. Section 5. A life in wetlands and marshes. The star-nosed mole is, particularly well-suited to life in wetlands and marshes, habitats often characterized by waterlogged soils and abundant invertebrate life. These environments provide ideal conditions for the mole's unique adaptations, allowing it to thrive in areas where other mammals might struggle. Unlike many mole species that prefer drier soils, the star-nosed mole is a capable swimmer and readily enters the water in search of food. Its dense fur repels water, keeping the mole warm and dry even when submerged. In fact, the star-nosed mole is considered semi-aquatic, spending a significant portion of its life in and around water. Section 6. The quest for food, a race against time. The life of a star-nosed mole is a constant quest for food. With a high metabolic rate, these small mammals have voracious appetites, requiring them to consume large quantities of food daily. Their diet consists primarily of earthworms, insects, and other invertebrates found in the soil and water. To find food, the star-nosed mole relies on its extraordinary sense of touch. As it moves through its tunnels or along the bottom of a stream, its star-shaped nose is in constant motion, rapidly exploring the environment. Each of the 22 rays is covered in Eimer's organs, providing the mole with a highly detailed sensory map of its surroundings. Section 7. Speed and efficiency, a symphony of senses. The star-nosed mole's hunting technique is a marvel of speed and efficiency. This small, seemingly unassuming creature is a master of its environment, utilizing its unique adaptations to thrive in the wetlands. Studies have shown that it can identify and consume prey in less than a quarter of a second, making it one of the fastest eaters in the animal kingdom. This rapid feeding is crucial for its survival, as it needs to consume a large number of small prey items to meet its energy requirements. This incredible speed is made possible by the seamless integration of its sensory and motor systems. The star-nosed mole's nose is not just an ordinary nose, it is a highly specialized organ that plays a critical role in its hunting strategy. As the mole's star-shaped nose probes the environment, its brain receives a constant stream of sensory information. Each of the 22 fleshy appendages on its nose is packed with over 25,000 sensory receptors, making it one of the most sensitive touch organs in the animal kingdom. When the mole encounters a potential food item, its star-shaped nose rapidly identifies the prey's location, size, and even texture. This detailed sensory input allows the mole to make split-second decisions about whether to capture and consume the prey. This information is then relayed to the mole's brain, which triggers a lightning-fast strike with the mole's sharp teeth. The efficiency of this process is a testament to the evolutionary perfection of the star-nosed mole's hunting technique, allowing it to thrive in its challenging wetland habitat. Section 8. The importance of the star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole, while often unseen, plays an important role in maintaining the health of its ecosystem. As a predator of soil invertebrates, it helps regulate populations of insects and other creatures, preventing any one species from becoming overly dominant. Additionally, the star-nosed mole's constant digging activity aerates the soil, improving drainage and creating channels for water and nutrients to penetrate the ground. This activity benefits plant growth and contributes to the overall biodiversity of wetland and marsh habitats. Section 9. A final word: appreciating nature's wonders. The star-nosed mole, with its remarkable adaptations and unique sensory abilities, serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity and wonder of the natural world. Often hidden from our view, this small creature plays a vital role in the delicate balance of its ecosystem. As we continue to explore and learn about the natural world, we gain a greater appreciation for the interconnectedness of life on Earth, and the importance of protecting the delicate web of life that sustains us all.